Good afternoon. This is a demo of 6S's Smart Card Time Clock customization for Epicor ERP 10. What this customization allows you to do is have an employee clock in and out of the system using a smart card or key fob. The first step required to use this customization is to set up the employee with the smart card that you would like to use. To do that, you simply navigate to Employee Maintenance and bring up the employee record that you would like to use. In this case, I'm going to use employee 104. Employee 104 is Lisa V. Ford, and I can navigate over to time and expense and see that my time clock settings have not yet been set. I can simply type in my card or key fob ID, or I can scan it. By hovering my key fob over my smart card reader, the key fob is read and the card ID is automatically populated in Epicor. Now all I need to do is click Save to have that card linked to Lisa. When Lisa wants to clock in and out of the system, all she has to do is use the time clock. The time clock is an MES customization. We have created an Epicor MES customization that is a simple time clock. It's a simple interface with no buttons, which allow users to clock in and out of the system using the smart card or key fob. Simply launch MES and log into Epicor as normal. Bring up the time clock interface, which can be defaulted, and the system will look like this. An employee, like Lisa, can simply walk up to the card reader and scan or wave their card. Epicor, once the system recognizes it, should see the key fob, find the related employee record, and clock Lisa either in or out based on their previous status. In this case, Lisa was already clocked in, so we have now clocked her out. Once Lisa comes back from lunch or wants to clock in the next morning, again, she simply scans her key fob into the card scanner and the system will recognize who she is and clock her back in. Lisa can do this as many times as necessary, and every time she does this, the system will record her clock in and clock out activity directly on time and expense entry. There are several enhancements that can be done to this customization to suit your needs. We can include the ability for users to clock in and out of Epicor, clock in and out of jobs, and we can either add the option of having a PIN required to clock in and out of the system besides having the smart card. Thank you.